Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome to another cooking video where I take a recipe from my food blog Rican Vegan and show you how to make it. In this video, I'm making arroz con dulce, or rice pudding. Arroz con dulce is a dessert made with sweetened rice that's usually made around the holiday season, but you can really make it anytime you have a craving for it. This recipe is completely dairy-free and not overly sweet. Before we actually start making this dessert, we'll need to do some prep work first. Soak a cup of medium grain rice in water for at least 2 hours. Make sure that the rice is completely covered in water and that there is extra water since the rice will expand. While the rice is soaking, I'm going to make the tea that we're going to cook the rice in. Heat some water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Add some whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, ginger, and star anise to a cheesecloth. Tie the top with some string to make a tea bag. This makes it easier to remove the ingredients from the tea as opposed to trying to scoop out all of the ingredients. Add the bag to the hot water and let it steep for 35 minutes. It's been a little over 2 hours, so I'm going to drain the rice and set it aside. Heat a large pot, then add the tea with the tea bag, some evaporated coconut milk, regular coconut milk, vanilla, water, the rice, salt, and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, continue to cook until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the rice is cooked. Reduce the heat to low. Taste the rice to make sure it's tender. Once the rice is cooked, remove the tea bag and discard it. Add some brown sugar, cane sugar, and continue to stir. If you're a fan of raisins, then go ahead and add the raisins at this point. If you don't like raisins, you could totally leave them out of this recipe since they are optional. Make sure to keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn or form lumps. Cover the pot and continue to cook for 10 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes. It should be a thick consistency. Remove it from the heat and serve it in ramekins or a serving dish. Sprinkle some cinnamon on top and store in the refrigerator until it's cold, then serve. Do you wait until the holidays to eat arroz con dulce, or do you eat it throughout the year? Let me know in the comments. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. If there's a recipe you would like for me to veganize and show you how to make it, let me know in the comments as well. If you want to check out more of my delicious plant-based recipes, head on over to my website at ricanvegan.com. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Since you made it this far in the video, why don't you check out one of my other videos by clicking here, and while you're at it, click over here to subscribe to my channel so you get notified of when I post new videos. There's going to be a new video coming out next week where I'm cooking up something new and delicious, so stay tuned.